Hi friend, uh, today we will see that how to install the PED into the Ubuntu machine. So first of all, I have been already copied the PED from the Apache PED. You can download from it. I have been given the download link from the description box. So after downloading, you will find out it inside the have been the download folders that I have been downloaded. Inside that I have Pete star file. I have been downloaded Pete version 0.16. You can download the latest one Pete 0.18 as well. There is not such a difference between the download. Yes, of course that some of the functionality the Pete 18 give the more as comparing with the Pete 16. So that is not a issue. So you can download any of the version PET 16 or PET 18. So after downloading, you will find out one tar file. Just extract it over here. I have been already extracted and put it inside some specific folder that you need to move. So after extract, so once again I will extract here. So extract here. So when you extract the PET tar file from this window, you can see the process. You can find out the process of the extractions over here. Okay, so after completing these extractions, you just open the terminal over here. I have been open a terminals. After that, just I will improve my font. Okay, then you just move this feed folder into the root user lib folders. So what I will do the sudo mv is my command, then pid, that file is pid, the folder's name which I extracted already. Then you can move over users slash lib folders. When you entered it, it will ask one password and the file will be moved. I have been already moved that file over here. Just I will open. So you can see in my computers inside the user in lib, I have been already downloaded and I have been already moved the PET folder over here. So this is my PET folder that I have been already moved from the download to lib folders. Right. After that, what you need to do, you need to open DOS src file, .src files. So what I will do, just sudo gedit hyphen slash dot batch rc. Just open it. Once you open it, will ask a password as well, so it will take some time. So I have been open that batch src file. So once you open that batch src file, you need to edit only one line inside it. So just I will open my magnifier, you can view properly. Okay, so this is my magnifier. Right, so always scan this section. Okay, so just I will minimize it. Okay, so you can see, just you need to add this line, export PET home equal to where you have been moved, you moved or you paste it inside the user lib folder. So just put over here that PET home user lib and okay, wait a minute, my magnifier is continuously okay. So where is my magnifier? So you have been already seen, right? So this is the line that you need to, okay, wait a minute. So this is just, I will not close this model. So you have been seen that I have been written here the export pid home equal to user lib, and this is my directory where I have been moved my pid path. Then this pid home you need to set inside your path as well. So this is my path where I have been set pid home, and inside pid home you need to give the bin path. After that you just save it and close it. Right, so once you close it, just close the terminal as well. Now again I will open my terminals, right, and just simply I will check my path is set or not properly. So what I will do, I will just return that echo dollar pid underscore home that I have it written. So the path is there. This is pid home path. Now I will check that my system path is set or not for the pid. So it is set over here. You can see user lib, and this is my bin path, right? So everything is look fine. Now I will open my pid. So as we already told you that pid has two type of mode. To open the pid, we have two types of console which provide by the pid. One is a Mapreduce mode, and second we have the user or local mode. So how you can find out that my pid is in local mode and it is Mapreduce mode? So here I will show you the difference between the Mapreduce mode and local mode. So just see when I will return pid, simple. So the pid is started to open it, that grunt cell, grunt grunt cell. Okay, now you can see over here your pid is open into the Mapreduce execution type. You can see once when you return simple pid in your terminal, so it will open into the Mapreduce mode. Okay, now I will quit it. Right, now I will again open pid -x space local. Now you can see. Okay, now you can see here that pid is opened into the local execution time, right? So this is the difference between the local mode and Mapreduce mode that you can find out, right? So here we seen that how to install that pid in your Hadoop. It was in your Hadoop system, right? So before to install the pid you need to install the Hadoop, and how to install the Hadoop, that I have been already made the videos for that, you can find out, and after that you can install the pid, right? So up to that, thank you very much. All right.